Weekends are for making memories, so let's make yours amazing this week. Check out all the great events we've got going on. Welcome back, Localtarians, and we are here for the Local Love Report for February 4th, 5th, and 6th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up. And we are excited to go through all the great things so that you can get started making memories this weekend. All right, guys, let's head into it. Friday! 11 a.m. on Friday, the first Friday tours at Manello Museum of American Art. 1 p.m. Make your website work for you in 2022 online. We're going to put that link down in the description so that you can enjoy that event. 5:30 p.m. Movie in the Park, Paw Patrol, the movie at Kissimmee Lakefront Park. 6 p.m. The Ultimate Art Party at Downtown Credo. Come on out and enjoy some great art and meet some of the amazing artists that make it. 6:30 p.m. Opening reception, The Recollections of Dorothea Hare Tuesdale at Maitland Art Center. 7 p.m. This Empty World by Nitch Brandt at Snap Orlando. Speaking of art, we got a lot of it this week, so come on out and enjoy some great exhibits at Snap Orlando. 7:30 p.m. Couple-style dancing lessons at the Barn in Sanford. Come on out and learn how to get out there and shake it on the dance floor for that next Valentine's gig. 8 p.m. Tab Bennett online. We're going to put that link in the description if you want to learn more about seeing his show. Just go down in the description and find that link. 8:30 p.m. Meatloaf Tribute, Fight Club at Enzian Theater. Rest in peace, Meatloaf. We will miss you, buddy. 10 p.m. Clooney at Celine Orlando. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up our Friday. Guys, if you want even more great events, whether it's the weekend or every day, we have a new event post for each day of the week pinned to the top of that day's page. So make sure you check it out. We upload those the day before about 2 p.m. so you can find it even before the morning hits. Come out and check out all the great events. We have lots more going on the full event post. All right, guys, you know what that means. It's time to bring that heat. Let's get into the hotness of the weekend. Saturday. All right, guys, 7:30 a.m. Orlando, Out of the Darkness, Suicide Awareness Walk. Hashtag Stop Suicide at corner of Lakemont and Upper Park Road. Come on out and help end this cycle. 9 a.m. CSI Sanford, presented by Clued Up Games. Think you could solve a murder? Experience life as a crime scene investigator in this thrilling outdoor murder mystery event coming to Sanford on Saturday the 5th. And of course, you can use forensic techniques, code breaking, and good old-fashioned detective work to crack the case in this limited ticket event. We're going to put that link on how you can get signed up for that down in the description. It is a live in-person event, however, but that'll get you started. Come on out and solve the case. 9 a.m. 47th Mount Dora Arts Festival in the historic district of Mount Dora. Come on out and enjoy a wonderful day filled with amazing art and a lovely day to just stroll around. 11 a.m. Family Day at Orlando Museum of Art. We got so much art on this list this week. I'm so glad to see it. So keep it up, artists. Come on out and enjoy a lovely day of checking out some amazing art in our great museum. 2 p.m. mini retreat for the mind, body, and soul at Commit to Wellness, LLC. 4 p.m. 5 February Artesian Market and Valentine event at Faith Arts Village, Orlando. Speaking of art and creativity, these guys have it in spades. Let me tell you, come on out to this great market. They put together so many wonderful things, all kinds of art and beautiful creations. Make sure you don't miss this very special event. 5 p.m. Virginia Drive Live, Winter Park Street Block Party. Come on out to Virginia Drive and enjoy going to all the great venues they have there and grabbing some drinks and meeting some people. Have a little fun. 7 p.m. Pasties, Pints, and Bluegrass at Claddagh Cottage Irish Pub. 8 p.m. Hadley's Hope at Orlando Brewing. Guys, come on out to Orlando Brewing. They always have the most amazing brew. And let me tell you, they've got lots of it to go around. Check it out. Maybe do a tour. Lots of fun going on at Orlando Brewing every single day. And last but not least, for your Saturday night, Meatloaf Tribute Rocky Horror Picture Show going on at Enzian Theater. All right, guys, as always, we love to see it when Rocky comes to town. So come on out and celebrate Meatloaf in his prime. All right, guys, if you have events or you're an artist or musician, let us know. Send us a message at Local Love Orlando Entertainment. All right, guys, let's get into Sunday. All right, guys, 10 a.m. on Sunday. Love is in plein air. Mimosas and masterpieces at Alvin Polasek Museum and Sculpture Gardens. $45 and up, and you can get into this great event and have some mimosas this Sunday morning. 10 a.m. Fun Day Sunday at Orlando Speed World Dragway. Come on out and enjoy some great drag racing. You're going to have a blast. 11 a.m. on Sunday, National Theater Live, The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime at Enzian Theater. 12 p.m. for the Love of the Game, Fun Community Celebration at Candyland Park. 12:30 p.m. Live Screenings 1 Minute Short Film Festival Virtual Edition online. And we're going to put that link down in the description so that you can go and enjoy these quick film festival. 1 p.m. Guitar Setup 101 course at El Camino School. 1 p.m. Kids Yoga and Zen Garden at 1600 North Orange Avenue, Orlando. Bring the kids out, let them get a little calm, little zen, and have a beautiful day. 1 p.m. on Sunday, Star Wars Armada monthly tournament at Campus Cards and Games 2. 2 p.m. Claire Van Driver EP release show at Will's Pub. Come on out to Will's, guys. They have a wonderful variety of drinks, some amazing brew, and you will have an amazing time with wonderful people. And last but not least, for your Sunday night, 6 p.m. The Bob Marley Experience at the Lab, Orlando. All right, guys. Well, that is going to wrap up our local love report this week. We had so much fun putting this one together. There's so many great events. It was very hard to choose. And again, you don't have to choose. We have a Local Love daily event post up on our page every single day. So if you want even more amazing events, make sure you don't miss out. We got a lot of stuff that's online as well. For those of you that are not quite ready to go back out, we understand and we've got you covered. So make sure you check on there for even more online events as well. Guys, thank you as always for tuning in to the Local Love Report. We appreciate it. Make sure you check out some of our other wonderful videos. We just put up one about my 2-day odyssey on the Odyssey of the Seas. If you like to cruise, you're going to want to see this beautiful ship. So make sure you check it out. And other than that, guys, I want to thank you one more time. Make sure you drop us a comment. And of course, if you need to reach us, here's where you can find us. And peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.